Check out my steering system on my kayak. It works. Fishing is changing for me forever. It is New Year's Day, January 1st. It's going to be a high of 70, and I'm out here on Greenfield Lake in a kayak. What a gorgeous day. Today I'm testing out my new kayak setup as I keep making more modifications to this thing. I've got the Watersnake T24 trolling motor installed, where I've removed the control unit and the switches and have installed them here for now. I've also rigged up this steering system in here. Where I have this weed eater string hooked together with these two brass quick release hooks, so I can steer the motor. This push-pull configuration, which works really well. And I've also, today, the big deal is testing out this lithium battery for the first time and seeing how fast this setup moves the kayak. That thing is moving. It's much faster with you on it than it is with me on it. All right, don't get too close. Moving. Back at the adventure studio, wrapping things up here. What I've learned that this battery is extremely lightweight and very dependable so far. I ran this boat for 2.5 hours at a consistent 3 miles an hour, and when I got back and checked the charge on this, it was 12.8 volts. I started with 13.6. So on speed 1, the kayak will go 3 miles an hour, and speed 2, the kayak goes 5 miles an hour. In this kayak, that's actually pretty quick. With my son on it, I'd like to know how fast speed 2 would go. I keep forgetting the GPS. 2 trips out, and I keep forgetting the handheld GPS. Actually, I didn't forget it the second time. I just forgot the batteries. The steering system, I'm really happy with. Using the weed eater string, these quick release hooks, eye screws, more quick release hooks in case got to take the motor off, T-fitting and some PVC pipe, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I think in the future, in the near future, I'm going to take this boat with this 20 amp hour battery and this trolling motor and try making it 9 miles down the Cape Fear River on a nice day. Until then, I'm going to use these bulkhead fittings to make some fishing rod holders in my gunnels and eventually install that second 20 amp hour battery. Anyway, I really like making these videos. I hope you enjoyed watching them. See you next time.